Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
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 Good morning, all of you. Please open your cameras, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Last week, what were we doing, children? What did we do last week?
Ma'am, we have done chapter second.
Morning, ma'am.
So chapter first. Ma'am,
Yes, the
lesson one.
first chapter, Voilà la frère et la sœur de Manuel. So, have we done? We have done the exercise number 1 over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now we are supposed to start with the second exercise. Is it?
Ma'am, you asked that you will ask about the body parts.
Yes, I will ask about the body parts. Okay, very nice. All right. So let me give you a few sentences, children, today. And what you will do is you have to write these sentences in French in your copies. I will write them in English and you have to translate them in French. All of you, please take out your copies. And nobody is going to use Google Translator. Is that fine? Just try to do it yourself. I know it's very easy and simple to do it on a translator, but that ways you will not be able to learn, because what I'm giving you is from the book only, from these 2 pages only to translate. What you're supposed to do is write down today's date and write down the heading Traduisez en anglais. Can you see? Is the board clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Traduisez en anglais. That's the question. The first one. The first one is
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. The first sentence, les heures sont bleues.
Ma'am, what is the second sentence?
Le pied est court.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
you have to see it's written on the top what you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, in the second one, what is after le?
P-I-E-D, Pierre. Le Pierre.
In the first sentence, what is after le?
This could and put the word Pati. In which sentence, beta?
In first sentence.
Les heures sont bleus.
It's
Why?
Y or
Y-E-U-X, beta. Y-E-U-X. Les heures sont bleus. Le Pierre est petit. Les dents sont blanches. Sylvie a les cheveux bruns.
And what is the fifth sentence?
Le nez de Manuel. Can't you see? Is it visible?
No, man, I
yes,
mentioned it.
Le nez de Manuel est long.
Ma'am, these 5 sentences.
Yes, these 5 sentences in English, and then the next 5 I'll give you to translate in French.
I can't see the second one.
Le pied est petit.
Ma'am, what we call PIED? P-I-E-D.
Better just check into the book. Check in the book what it's called. The picture that is given.
Ma'am, they are
What?
saying above the toes.
No, we are talking about the foot. The foot. Toes is l'orteil. Everybody has written these sentences. Can I remove it? As लिखा है वो असली लिखा है। Plants are useful to us as they give us many useful things such as, अब यहाँ लिखना होगा, medicine, honey, money, chani.
Ma'am, what is Sylvie?
Sylvie is a name, beta. Sylvie.
Ma'am,
Okay.
done with the answer.
Answer is also done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the first one? Read out the first sentence, Ridhima. The French version and English translation both.
Les yeux sont bleus. The eyes are blue.
The eyes are blue. Very nice. Utkarsh Singh Tomar, read out the second one, beta. Everybody open your cameras.
A petite. The foot is small.
Yes.
Excuse me.
The foot is small. Yes, Aditya. Aditya, you want to say something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not able to listen your voice. Can I rejoin?
Yes, rejoin. Yes, rejoin. Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, les dents sont blanches. The teeth are white.
Les dents. It's les dents sont blanches. The teeth are white. Very good. Next sentence, Saksham Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sylvie
Read out the next.
Ala Chevy Jones. Sylvie has brown hair.
Yes. Sylvie has brown hair. Then the next one, Navya Goyal.
Les nose de Manuel is long. The nose of Manuel is long.
Yes, the nose of Manuel is long. Very nice. Now write down the other one. The next question, that is traduisez en français. Traduisez en français.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am new in French. I has not has the book, so I can give out the test.
Okay, beta, this is not a test. We are just doing it for our practice.
Okay.
And Ujasvi, beta, wherever you face any problem, do let me know.
Ma'am, my
were
name
you
is
there?
Chaitanya Agarwal.
Yes, what's your name?
Chaitanya Agarwal.
Chaitanya, better then open your camera. How will your teacher come to know who you are? Hmm? Chaitanya, were you there in the class when I explained this chapter?
No, ma'am.
No. Why didn't you attend your classes?
Ma'am, because I didn't have the book, that's why.
Beta, you didn't have the book. So many students, other students didn't have the book. I provided the PDF. The PDF was provided. You should have attended the classes. As it is, you've taken up French and you have missed French for the 2 years. Did you have French earlier?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have but learned some French from Duolingo app.
Duolingo app. So are you able to understand a little from this chapter? Are you now? Do you have your book?
No, ma'am. Please, can you say anyone to send the PDF on the group? Just don't.
All right, Bhavya, can you please send the PDF of this chapter? Yes, whosoever has it, please send it. From the
Ma'am, I
beginning
have
till
sent
the
it to Chaitanya as his personal number, but he didn't see the.
okay. Now, Bhavya, do one thing better. Send it on the class group once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent.
All right.
Ma'am, I has got it.
Yes, got it. Now just try to do these sentences.
And what is the fourth sentence? Okay.
What is big called in French?
Big is called grand. Grand. Depends on the noun.
Excuse me, ma'am. If any word we are unable to, don't know, so can we find it in a book?
Yes, of course. You can take the help of the book right now. You're not giving any test. Just look from the book, take help, and try to frame these sentences. Written, all of you have written these 5 sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
mouse called?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, what is mouth called?
Mouth. Mouth is called bouche. Bouche.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, le main is for hand or fingers?
Yes. No, fingers are les doigts, DOIGTS, and hand is MAIN.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, head is called la teeth.
La tête.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I forgot. Ma'am, biggest called ma'am. Gross.
Beta, big is called grand. Grand.
Ma'am, arms are called brass or cow.
No, brass. Bras.
Okay. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I has done all the 5 sentences in French.
Okay, very nice. You have done them in French also.
Ma'am, second one we have to translate in French na from English.
Yes, you have to translate them in French. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are arms called?
Arms is les bras. Lesbras. Les bras.
Ma'am, can you tell what are eyes called?
Eyes. Okay, when we talk about two eyes, it's called Yeux.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell how to pronounce them?
Okay, it's called laser. It's a. Just nothing. Yeux is a.
Okay, ma'am. Laser.
Yes.
And ma'am, strong.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is strong called in French?
Yes, what is
Strong is
strong?
Forts. Forts. Four.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, children. So what is the first sentence? Chaitanya, better read out the first sentence.
Ma bau est raub.
Yes.
Ma bau est raub.
Okay. Bouche et rouge. What you are telling is bouche et rouge. You are telling mouth is red. But the sentence is my mouth is red.
Ma'am, how
My. So what is the translation of my?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ma.
Yes.
Ma.
Ma. Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma bouche et rouge.
ma'am, but I have written no. Ma'am, MON.
ma'am.
No. Now see, beta, this thing depends on the noun that you are using. Here the noun is what? Mouth. Right? Mouth is the noun here. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I have told you this thing. Now when we are talking about, suppose we are talking about mouth here, bush. Bush is what? Now we have to take care of this thing. What gender it is? It's feminine gender, right?
Yes.
Since it is feminine gender, we are going to place ma before it. Ma comes before the nouns which have masculine gender.
And I thought it matters that ma'am we are masculine or we are feminine.
No. It doesn't matter on your gender. It matters on the noun, the thing that you're talking about.
Okay, ma'am.
Is that clear? Yes. Next.
Feminine or masculine?
What is the next sentence? He has.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What was the next sentence? Yes.
A mouth is feminine or masculine?
Feminine, beta, feminine. Mouth is feminine.
And most of the feminine have E in the last.
Yes, most of them. What was the next sentence? Who will read out? Navya Goyal.
He has a big head. Il
He has a big head. Okay.
grande tête.
Yes.
Il a les un grande tête.
Now, beta, how can you put les and un together?
And definitely indefinite cannot be together.
On one hand, you are putting plural definite article and right after it, indefinite article singular. So
ma'am,
just remove this lay. Rest is correct. Now read your sentence.
il a un grande tête.
Okay. Il
Ma'am,
a
you
un
and UN. And
grand
because
tête. Yes, beta.
ma'am, why ma'am UNE ma'am?
Okay. Now why une? We are talking about he has a big head. So what is the noun here? Head.
Ma'am, head.
Right?
Ma'am, head.
Head is the noun. Now what gender is head? That's feminine gender. According to French, a head is called a tête, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
tête is which gender? Look into the book. It is feminine gender. And when we are saying he has a big head, for a, what do we use? Either we use a or we use un. But since tête is feminine gender, so we will not use a, we will use un.
Okay.
Il a,
In thought as a
il a.
gender, it is written he.
He has a big head. Now what is big? Grand. And grand also
Grand.
spelling will be Grande. Why? Because this is feminine. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can write it like this. Il a la tête est grande.
Il a la tête. He has the head. What Aditya?
Ma'am, il a la tête est grande.
Est grand. See, you are saying il a la tête. EST, are you saying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Est grand. Now see, beta, what is the translation? He has the head is big. He has. What is il a? He has. He has the head and EST stands for is big. Does it make any sentence? Any sense?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So now what we'll do is il a un tête. Sorry, he has a big head. Il a un grand tête.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you once told that, ma'am, we can write the adjective of teth afterward also, like il a un teth
Okay, now see. Beta, for adjectives, there are a few rules, different types of rules that we follow. When we talk about something, can I erase this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we talk about adjectives like colors, nationalities, and let's say Color, nationalities. Okay, right now what is coming to my mind is just colors and nationalities. What we do is we first write the noun and then the color or the nationality. Pen, red. Like in English it is red pen, but in French, if we are using color, it will come after the noun. So it is going to be a stylo rouge. Okay. Une fille française. Une fille française. That means a French girl. This is nationality. Nationalities and colors are placed after the noun. Okay? But
Okay,
Yes.
adjectives like big, small, grand, petite, and let's say which other adjectives? If we come, yes,
Ma'am, for
You, when
Ma'am, sympathy.
yes, for
And you
and
belt.
all they come before the noun, like height, and this is for height. This is for how big something or how small something is. So we use what? We use them before the noun. Like I want to say a short girl. So it will be petite fille, une petite fille. Okay, not une fille petite. Is
Okay,
that
ma'am.
clear?
okay.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So here the sentence was, what was the sentence? Okay, a big head. He has a big head. That is why we are using big before the word head. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the next sentence now? She has long fingers.
Madam,
Yes,
May I?
tell. Yes,
ma'am, ill are long
सर हम
drinks.
लोग सर ये
she has long fingers. So
Ma'am,
what is it?
ma'am, ill
Ma'am,
are long drinks.
you long dua.
Why Yun?
Ma'am, illa de long dua.
And only ma'am,
Ma'am,
ill are
fingers are
long.
masculine.
Long.
Ma'am, but fingers is plural, so we will use they. De.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Till
I have
fingers are plural.
and used dogs.
So what are you saying? What should come?
Ma'am, ill are long doing.
L-R, yes.
Long dog.
Now see, long will come like this, or I should give S to it.
Long.
I'm long.
Yes, it will be long. And why? Because fingers are plural. So adjective should also be in plural.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written LONGUES.
Okay. Now, yes, I didn't pay attention to this thing here. Now, fingers are which gender? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Fingers
masculine.
are masculine.
Ma'am,
So we will have LONGS. And if we are talking about something that is feminine and is long, we write it like this. Is that clear, Navya?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
long.
Then the next sentence. This one is done.
Ma'am.
She has long fingers. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell?
after we can use days also. Ma'am, they.
L-R, they long. No, beta, don't use they.
Okay, ma'am.
She has long fingers. L-R. We can still use lay, dwa, lay. No, just it will be like this only. L-R long dwa.
And there is no article used in this sentence.
No, there will be no article used here. Then next is, what is the next sentence? The arms of Dennis are strong. Who has done it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Bra
tell.
de din.
Les bras de Dennis sont forts.
Yes, very nice. Les bras the, Dennis, son, Forts.
MTS.
Yes. Then the fifth one.
Ma'am, ils are beautiful.
Okay. They have beautiful eyes. Now what is they have beautiful eyes?
Ma'am, ils are beautiful.
Ma'am is on view, yeah.
It's a boy, Bell Eats.
Ma'am, ils
What
ont.
is they have? What is they have?
Ma'am, ils ont.
Ma'am, ils are or ils are.
Ma'am, ils ont.
Ils on. Ils on. Beautiful eyes.
Ma'am, Bell Eats.
But eyes, beta, what is the gender of eyes? It is masculine
Feminine.
or feminine?
And feminine.
No,
Ma'am,
who said it's feminine? It's masculine. It's
Um,
masculine.
So, ma'am, Bell.
So,
No,
ma'am,
bell, bell comes in case of feminine. What we will use here is B-E-A-U-X.
Ma'am, B-A-U.
Il on, go, and what is eyes? By
I'm
E-U-X.
Joa.
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now after this on page number 16, everybody just open up page number 16. And there are two questions given. The third one, répondez aux questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll do these questions in our copy.
Ma'am,
Everybody,
we have done.
Ma'am, we have done
Ma'am,
this.
where? Can you tell me?
you have already done it in the copy?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, we have done complete awake in Madde moves to text and respond of questions.
Okay, répondez aux questions. All right. Then next, let me just see what we're all right. Now, coming on to the next page, that is page number 18. Now see, how many new students are here? How many new students? Utkarsh is a new student.
No, ma'am.
Utkarsh is old. Okay, Chaitanya, I think, has left. All right. So now on page number 18, let's just revise the ER ending verbs. Now, what are ER ending verbs? Verbs ending in ER. How does the working take place of these verbs? Like suppose the verb is parler, right? All of you remember? The verb
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Yes,
parler. How
Parler.
does it work? Parler. Now this is the radical. P-A-R-L is the radical, and what we do is ER. We remove this ER. All of us, let's just recall the sequence of the subject
Ma'am, J
pronoun.
parler.
Je, tu, then
Ma'am, il.
il,
L.
el,
L.
then
Nu.
nu,
Who.
gu,
Il.
is,
L.
and L again. Yes, it can be seen, the whole board.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
Now, if we talk about ER ending verbs, what is the pattern? We have
And
E,
In E.
ES,
Yes.
E. Then ONS,
ONS,
EZ,
EZ,
and ENT. Only ER ending verbs work in this pattern. Rest we will come